everyone, and welcome to the latest and hopefully greatest Stitch Fix unboxing from me. I think based on my stumbling of words there, probably not going to be considered the greatest. However, I'm excited to do it. Stitch Fix time! Yay! I chose the items this time, and I think I picked out 5 of them from my picks list. I could be remembering incorrectly. Listen, the days lately have just been bleeding into each other and show no sign of stopping. Wow. It's Friday, man. At least when I'm filming this, anyways. So I've got my Fix preview here, so you guys can see what was offered to me. If you don't know, with Stitch Fix, they do preview now. So your stylist sends you like, I don't know, is it like 8 or 10 different items, and you can pick up to 5 of them for your fix. And if you don't pick 5, they'll just fill in whatever you didn't pick. So if you picked 0 of them and said you hated all of them, they'll just send you 5 different items that you were not shown. But if you pick 2 of them and you didn't like the rest of them, they'll send you those 2 things plus 3 additional things. Do you get that? So this was the first thing that they showed me. It was this earring set. I think I considered it, but I don't remember if I picked it. Something about these earrings. I don't like them, but I like them. They're kind of gaudy and cheap looking, but I like them. So I don't remember actually if I picked these or not yet, but that was the first thing I saw. Up next, we have this dress. Please, did I choose this dress? I might not have chosen this dress. It's real cute, isn't it? I actually don't think I chose this dress. It's cute though. Maybe I just thought I had similar things, but it looks like it has pockets, a little teeny tiny floral print to it. It says it's a scallop detail dress. I don't see any scalloping personally, but like, sorry, I'm looking at my phone down here where I've got the screenshots. Either way, maybe I didn't pick it because it was a little expensive. I don't remember. Anywho, so that dress, I don't think I chose that one. These jeans, I also don't. Did I choose these? They just look like a nice classic pair of dark wash jeans. I don't remember. This top, I had to have picked this top. This is my style. Like, this is cute. That's cute. A little referee, but since it's not black and white, it's like an orange and white, and just this time of year and everything, like this is me. The stripes, anyone? I had to have chosen this one. This one also, I had to have chosen this one. This is such a cute t-shirt. Green and white striped with the nice neckline, and I've got to type, okay. And it's a good price, so pretty sure I chose this one. Very cute, very nice. The tie knot thing at the waist, it can either look great on me or it can look awful on me. So there is a bit of a gamble on this one, but I had to give it a try. We had a bodysuit here. I never have owned a bodysuit. I have no want to ever own a bodysuit. The whole crotch buttons things, it seems very uncomfortable, and just I'd rather not, you know? So no bodysuit for me. These shorts, something tells me I would have picked these shorts. They look like comfy, just like pull-on denim shorts, so chances I would say I probably chose these. This dress, very cute. I don't know if I chose this one either. It doesn't look like there's pockets. It looks like we've got a cute crisscross in the back, but I might have, I don't know, looking at it, it might be a little bit of a cheapy kind of material that I wouldn't like. I'm not sure. I don't remember if I picked this one. I don't think I did, but I don't remember. These white shorts, I probably declined. I probably said no to the white shorts just because, I don't know, white pants and shorts makes me nervous, not because of my period, but just that I'm gonna sit in something dirty eventually, or like even on a dark colored couch or something, and then I'm gonna end up getting stains on, I don't know, white shorts and pants in general. I guess I've never really gone for, so I doubt I chose these. I do think I chose this top. I think I was very back and forth on this top, whether or not I was gonna pick it, but it looked like something different, something new for me to try. I think it's cute, so I think I might have given this one a go. It looks like it might be a little cropped for my taste, but like I still wanted to give it a try. So yeah, those were the 10 items that they previewed for me. Like I said, I don't remember if I picked 5 out of the 10, but you know what does remember and what will tell me is this box right here with my address all over it. I should really stop swinging this around. Let's see what is inside. So for Stitch Fix, for those of you that are still with me but you have no idea what Stitch Fix is, real quick while I open this up, it is a styling it's not a subscription, but it's an online styling service. You can get it as often or unoften as you want. You know, you want to get one once a year, that's fine. You want to get one every month, I'm pretty sure you can do that too. I think you can get it as soon as every 2 weeks or something. And then you get to try on the clothes, you get to preview the clothes, order the clothes, try on the clothes, and it comes with a pre-stamped mailer bag, so all returns and exchanges, it's on them, / it's a part of the price you pay to get the box. It's $20 to get Stitch Fix, and then that $20 goes towards any items that you end up purchasing or keeping. If you don't keep any of the items, the Stitch Fix will still keep their $20, but you know, if you end up wanting to keep a $40 shirt, you will only have to pay an additional $20 to keep that shirt, in addition to the $20 you paid for the box. So my very crushed up little envelope there, it's gonna tell us note from a stylist and that sort of stuff, prices, but we have got the stuff. And a box that my cats will love. I really don't know what it is. Like, are these boxes made of catnip? I don't know. But Stitch Fix, seriously, they're my cats' favorite boxes. They don't look any different from any other box from anywhere else that I get stuff from, but for some reason they flock to the Stitch Fix box. I don't know. Is that a selling point? I don't know. I guess for me it's a selling point, a little fun for my cats, but anywho, here we go. T-shirt time. It's so soft and I really like it. I mean, such a good color green, nice emeraldy green. It's got the tie front, the twisty front, the v-neck. Like I said, it's really nice and soft. It's from 9 Breton. From what I remember, the price was good. For those of you who care, it is 51% rayon, 45% polyester, and 4% spandex. Stretchy, soft, nice feeling. I'm excited to try that on. We've got another shirt that I'm nervous to try on now. It said linen on there, didn't it? Or did it say woven? This feels like straight up rayon, and it feels like the kind of rayon that will shrink and turn awful 100%. I hate being right sometimes. I can't keep this shirt. Even if it looks cute on me, I can't keep it. Even if I wash it in just cold water and I don't put it in the dryer, this type of rayon, it shrinks up and it gets really stiff and unpleasant feeling to me. I'll still try on the shirt. It's still really cute. It's from Market & Spruce. Comes with an extra button. I mean, I do really like this. But I can't. I've gotten really good about making sure that even if I love a garment and love it on me, if it's in a material like that where I know from past experience I will not wear it, or in this case I would wear this once and then I would need to wash it and then I would never be able to wear it again, I can't justify spending I don't have the funds to be throwing away like that, you know? So that's a bummer. This top is actually way more detailed than I thought it would be, and not cropped looking at all. This is like a little eyelet lace detail shirt. Can you see that? Wow, cute. Perfect for the summer here. Okay, this has way more potential than I thought. So it's got the poofy sleeves, it's got the tie in the front. I mean, I knew about those things, and I thought I could see that peeking out in the picture. It's got one of these like stretchy backs or whatever. It actually looks like it could fit over my bust and like still provide some coverage but not be like choking me. This looks so cute and really nicely made. Nice and floofy at the bottom. It's a Stitch Fix exclusive apparently. That could be the winner here, as long as it looks good on me. We've got these shorts. Okay, so I did select these things. I did not select the earrings. I was tempted, you guys. So here are the shorts. Looks like a nice pull-on here. They're from Liverpool, which, as far as I've ever known, they are really nice jeans and whatnot. I've enjoyed the ones that I've gotten from Stitch Fix from them. So hopefully these shorts are going to be nice and comfy. Exciting. And then I also got the dark denim here. It does feel nice and stretchy, but it also feels like the kind where it really will emphasize my pooch, my fupa, whatever you're going to want to call it. Maybe it won't, you know, I'm still going to try. But I mean, they'll probably be very comfy, but we're gonna have to wait and see with these until I try them on. So how about we go do that, shall we? All right, I haven't looked in the mirror yet. I can't tell how I feel about these things quite yet. I think I can get a general consensus, kind of looking in the finder and then just how it feels on me. The t-shirt, I mean, it's really comfy, don't get me wrong. I just don't know yet if it's something I would like, does it look good on me? I don't know. I would have to go look in the mirror. And same with the shorts. They feel very comfy. They're very nice to just pull on, but I have to see, just got a tank top on, but I have to see how I'm feeling about the way they fit around my lower tummy. And then in the back, I mean, booty check. Feels like it should make my booty look good, but we do have just the slightest bit of gaping in the back. All right, so I just went and looked in the mirror, and I actually think I like these things on me, you guys. These are actually really, I mean, like I was saying, they're cozy. I think these shorts might be like the slightest bit long in the crotch for me, but like overall, they're super comfy. Let me just take a seat in my chair here. They're really comfy, like when I sit down, you know, they're not pinching and making me feel bad in my stomach. And the shirt, I think, is cute. You know, it's like from one angle or another, yeah, it might be unflattering, but it's really comfy. I think it looks cute, and it would absolutely be something I would grab for and gravitate towards a lot, I think, in my wardrobe. You know, even on a super relaxed day where I just want to wear some leggings and tennis shoes, you know, it's long enough that I could wear the leggings, covers my butt, and all that good stuff. So actually, I think we might have a couple winners here. That's exciting. Then we've got this shirt. Oh, it's already pre-tied. I don't know. Like, I had plans for this shirt, right? I mean, I'm very grateful. It's very loose, so it's not pulling on the buttons, and it fits over my chest very comfortably. I think the tie might be like a little low for my preference. I mean, it's not awful, don't get me wrong. I mean, I wasn't gonna keep the shirt anyways, but like at the end of the day, I actually don't think it's the greatest shirt in the world anyways. Maybe it's, I don't know, I like the loosey-goosiness of it, but it's almost a little too loosey-goosey for the look that I think this shirt is going for. Like, I think it would have looked cuter, like tied up here type of a thing, without my tank top there, you know, but like tied up here. Since I'm sending it back, I don't want to crinkle and wrinkle it and everything, but you know what I mean? So like more of a waist tie. Could have looked cute with like a skirt or with shorts, jeans, whatever. But with the material, I just can't get behind it. And overall, I mean, I like it from like here up, but it's just something, I don't know. So I mean, I'm happy about it, because like I said, I'm not like feeling so horrible about needing to send it back because of the fabric, but there it is. I don't know, what do you guys think? How does one wear shirts like this, where they're cut so to the side? Like, what am I supposed to do? Go strapless bra? That's just not me. Oh, I had such high hopes for this one. But I think it's looking a little ridiculous on me anyways. It's just not working. The elastic on it is also reminding me how much bigger this arm of mine is than this arm. It's like loose on this one, and it's feeling a little snug on that one. But yeah, this is gonna be a no-go. Don't get me wrong, I love a good sweetheart neckline and everything. I appreciate that this fits over my bust. Here it is from the back. And I love, you know, the eyelet lace, the details of it. It feels really nicely made, like it would last forever. But overall, I don't even own a strapless bra. I never will, because I think they're so uncomfortable, and this just would never work for me. So it's actually kind of a bummer. Like I said, I was looking forward to this one, but not the end of the world. And the pants, I mean, they feel good. They feel like they fit me nicely. Booty check. They're a good length on me. They're nice and stretchy and soft. I just need to go and check and see if I have a similar wash already. I have to do the same thing with those shorts, because I've got a feeling I actually have a pair of shorts that are like those same color wash, and it's got the roll up on the bottom as well. So I have to go check on that. But there's nothing inherently wrong with the pants, but it does do the thing where it really kind of like bunches a lot, which I'm not the biggest fan of. I think it has something to do with the stretch in them, which, I mean, I appreciate the stretch, but you get what I'm saying? Okay, final turn slash who cares, because this is not, I'll be back. Alrighty, so consider me confused. I thought that was gonna go so much differently than it did. This is why we gotta try things on, people. So let's go ahead and say, oh, hello, together and look at prices, but first look at what my stylist had to say. So they say, hello and welcome to July. How's your summer? Stay cool. I smiled when I saw the 5 items you selected from your Fix preview this month. So glad you were able to check it out. You chose stylish pieces that I think you are going to love, mixing into your current wardrobe to freshen things up a bit. That was the plan. Which items are you most excited about? I'm eager to read your feedback at checkout, so be sure to share your thoughts and or any future requests so I can personalize them. I'm looking forward to seeing you again soon. Wishing you the best, Hannah. Well, thank you very much, Hannah. That's very sweet of you. Sometimes I just have to question what they were thinking when they styled some things. I mean, some things super cute. Like that right there is an outfit I would absolutely wear with that shirt if it had been a different material. But then like this one, I mean, don't get me wrong, cute together, but like not with the with the untuckable roll thing. Like under overalls, that would be so uncomfortable and bulky. But like that's cute, nice and simple. Anywho, okay. So, I know I technically have already seen the prices from the preview, but let's go over things just in case. The peplum blouse I will not be keeping. I think it's very cute and would look great on some people. It just didn't look great on me. It's 46 bucks, which I think for the quality of it that I felt like, I think is a great price for it. The button down with the brown and cream stripes was $42. Like I said, I will not be buying it because of, well, in the end I didn't love the way it looked on me, but then also the fabric. The knit top, 34 bucks. Heck yes, I really like that shirt on me. The cuffed shorts, I went and checked, and as nice as these ones are and cute and everything, like truth be told, if I found them at a thrift store for like 5 bucks, I'd probably buy them and add them to my wardrobe. But they're 58 bucks, and the pair that I own already of cuffed medium rinse wash denim or whatever, they're too similar. They're not the same, they're not an identical match, but they're too similar. I can't justify it. And the pants, I actually don't have a pair that dark of a wash. I'm teeter-tottering on it. They're 55 bucks, which for nice jeans, I'm totally fine paying that price, especially if they fit so well. You know, they didn't have the back gap and they were a good length on me. I have to consider whether that's gonna bug me, the thigh bunching and whatnot. It wasn't so severe that it would always bother me, but I don't know, maybe it would. I have to think about it. But either way, definitely keeping the green stripe shirt. So I also am an affiliate of Stitch Fix. Anyone can be. It does not matter that I have a YouTube channel. But if you want to check out Stitch Fix for yourself, I would appreciate if you used my link that I always have in the description box down below. It not only earns you some money off of your first fix, but it also earns me kickback. So I would really appreciate it if you are curious in trying out Stitch Fix for yourself. I personally love it. I don't go out shopping like ever at all for myself anymore for clothes, so it really is a nice way to A, freshen up my wardrobe, and B, try on things like the peplum eyelet blouse that I normally would not try on, and well, in store maybe I would try it on, but ordering things online, like if I was shopping online through Torrid or something, I probably wouldn't have purchased it. So yeah, I think it's a good time. You guys should just let me know whatever you want in the comments down below. You can also let me know if you enjoyed the video by giving it a thumbs up down below. I'd really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. I don't know why I did a closed fist one there, but yeah, become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!